In this video, we are going to look at how to inspect the blade carrier on your slasher. If your slasher has an abnormal amount of vibration, which can be felt from the operator's seat, this may indicate that your blade carrier is bent. To test if your blade carrier is bent, you will require a coloured marker and a tape measure. First, you will want to lower the loader arms as much as possible and tilt right back to lift the front of the slasher off the ground as high as possible. This allows the operator to inspect the underside of the slasher safely. You must ensure the hydraulic hoses are disconnected and the machine is turned off. Now get your paint pen or equivalent and mark a line on the underside of the cutting deck, close to the edge of the blade carrier. Next, you will rotate the blade carrier clockwise to line up a blade with your mark. Now mark a line on the blade carrier parallel to the mark on the deck. Grab your tape measure and measure the distance from the mark on the deck to the mark on the blade carrier, and write this measurement on the carrier with your pen. Rotate the blade carrier and repeat this mark and measure method for the 3 remaining blade positions. You should now have all 4 measurements. All blade measurements should not vary more than 5mm between sides. If the variation between measurements is more than 5mm, the blade carrier will not be balanced and abnormal vibration will result. Bent blade carriers must be replaced before further use to avoid excessive wear to gearbox components. Using poorly maintained equipment can cause injury or death. For more slasher safety tips and support, please refer to your manual or contact Himac on 1-800-888-114.